Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to OP yourself on Hytale servers. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your Hytale server in-game. This is needed for the next step. Then head over to Server.pro and into your Hytale server. Then when you're in the console, type the following command: /op, add, and then the username. As mentioned before, that player needs to be online for this command to work, but once that's done, the player is now an admin on your server. To remove admin privileges, use /op remove and then the username. Now to use admin commands in-game, all you have to do is open the chat. You can do this by pressing enter. There you can use the /help command, which will display a list of all available commands. They'll show the correct commands and formatting, and will help prevent errors when typing commands in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.